Time is clicking. Welcome to the live show. The time is ticking. Time is ticking. Welcome to the live show. In highway. So, I don't know when this. I'll be awake soon. Welcome to the live show. Oh, another one. Welcome to the live show in the highway. Riding a bicycle. Let's go. It can take me up to 40 minutes to reach to my destination. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You can like and share and subscribe. Like to share to your friends and you can start subscribing. Oh, this is the turning slow, man. Slow. Please slow it down. Oh shit. Oh, it is really dangerous in the highway. Yes. Another vehicle will come. Oh shit, that is truck with the oil tank. With the oil tank. Alright, so this is the downhill. Okay, downhill, so I need to pedal. So I need to just relax, sit and relax. Man, he's about to cross, but I just whistle him. So sitting here. Yeah. Let's go. Oh. The downhill is easy. Riding the bicycle downhill, it seems like you're having fun. But when it comes to uphill, man, you have to burn the calories. Burn the calories. This is you can share. So this is still the downhill. Okay. So the signal is there with the orange signals. Never mind, we can cross. There's no vehicle. No, we can still go unless the red signal is cleared. Alright, so all the students were moving towards school because it's school hours on. School is about to start. Oh. Whoa. So when you're riding in the highways, make sure that you have to go or you have to ride from the side, otherwise the four-wheelers will come, then the problem will have. Okay, four-wheelers will come, then it might get hit. Okay, you might get hit. So remember, always travel or to ride from the side, the outside. This is how that you'll make sure that you are safe while driving the highway. Alright, so this is the plane. Okay, it's not an uphill or downhill, but it's plain. So I have to pedal a little bit. So that is why the The camera is a little bit shaky, so I will try not to move much the camera. Oh man, the cars are so fast. The speeds are, you can get the speeds after I think 80 or 100 the cars here. So whoa, traveling in highway is not safe, okay? Especially if you are going in the middle, and if you're riding in the middle, so it's not safe. You have to go from the side. Remember always the safety. I don't know at what time I'll reach my destination, but I think that it will take up to 30 minutes. Yes, 30 minutes. Yes. Man, another truck comes. So it's a tank, oil tank. Truck with the oil tank load. It still goes so fast. Ooh. To my left side there's a river, so we cannot see, because I cannot turn the camera. Oh man, the dog is in the middle of the road. Dog. I think the dog is the boss. I think is the boss. Whoa. Oh well. Make sure you can like the video. You can like the video. Click a like, okay? Click a like, and please stay tuned with me. So, if you are interested in the traveling or riding videos, so what I just ride is the fat bike, or the bicycle with a very fat and big tire. So this cycle can travel faster and I think more safe than the small tire one, small wheeler. Oh my god, the truck, this one with the heavy load truck. Heavy load. Okay, that's Jesus saved my journey, me and my journey. What is going on here? What is it? I can hear some noise. Yes, some noise in the back of my cycle. Okay, I will check later. What is that? Oh, pickup is so fast, man. Pickup is so fast. Oh shit! Even though it's a highway, some area, some part of the road is, the conditions of the road is so fucking, what is going on there? What the? Okay. Hope that I will reach safely. Otherwise the problems. I just hope and pray that I will reach safely to my destination. Otherwise, riding in highway is dangerous things. I mean, especially when more vehicles are coming, so it's not a good thing. Make sure that make sure that I travel from the side. Man, I just lost my connections. I think it's because of the man, I just lost the connections. I think it's just the network problem. Yes, in this area, so a little bit distracted that network problem. So anyway, so the network has once again the connected. Let us continue the stream. Wow, oh, the cars are so fast. Man, I cannot. Make sure also that you are going slow, because you might not know which cars or which vehicle will come, so you might get hit by the car. Man, oh my god, the pickup with empty load are moving so fast. Oh my god, big truck with the empty oil tank, and it's moving so fast. Okay, the oil tank truck which are moving downhill are always fast because their tanks are empty. Tanks are empty. Whoa. It's a tractor. Whoa. Oh. So it's an uphill one now. So uphill we have to go slow. I cannot pedal fast in the uphill because it might okay. To my left side, I can now see that this what kind of forest reservation or conservations. I think this forest is being preserved by I think the department of the government or the community. So I don't know, but it looks like the forest is being preserved. Yes. That's a dog. A dog on the sideway. I think will always be the boss. Even if you come, it won't move from that place. Woo. So make sure you light the live streams so that you will never miss any other videos. Oh, it's a cut. Very good. It's a cart with the 4 wheels cart. We used to load firewood. We used to load whatever they need to carry for at a short distance. So we used to load on a cart. Yes, cart. Truck is coming behind from my back. Behind me, truck is coming. So that truck is so fast, man. I think it's empty. I don't know. Yes. 3% in two-wheelers. Scooty, 3%. 3%. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Okay, the sidewalk or the side riding from the side is more safer than riding at the middle, man, because cars will come, you might get hit, you know. So therefore, remember, if you're traveling with the bicycle or any two-wheelers, which is not so fast, or if it's not a bike or a scooty, therefore, if it's a bicycle, make sure that you're always traveling from the side. It started to rain, man. Oh, this way. Willow Homestay. That's a homestay. Yes. Anytime you can visit homestay and stay there if you wish to. But I don't think so, because I've got my permanent place to stay there. So I have to stay there. Yo. Oh, yes, of course, why not? Even in highways, there are some part of the road that the conditions is not so good. So it might happen anyway, but so far I consider that this road is good for traveling. That minibus is so fast. It's a traveler minibus. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is cool time. Alright, that red car has just taken the U-turn and it moves ahead. So this morning I travel I think what distance? 53 or 55? Yes, 55 km or kilometers at a distance. So I'm a little bit sweat. Luckily this morning the sun is not that hot because the sky is not so clear, so that's why not much sweat is coming out. Otherwise, if the sun shines so bright, then I think my body will get sweat all over. All right, there's one person's crossing the road. Never mind. Let's move on. I am still on the plain area. Yes, the plain area. So shit. That truck is coming too close. Whoosh. Shit. That is why. Yes. Fuck. That is why we need to go from the side. Otherwise, if I am running in the middle, that truck might get hit. Oh my god. It might hit me. Oh my god. Luckily I'm traveling from the side way. So oh shit. Oh, it is not safe to travel in the highway, man. But anyway, only 1 or 2 times we have to travel in the highway, so the rest it's on the road that's going to the rural areas. Not much, I think not much vehicle are coming, so never mind. That pickup is so fast, man. It is so fast, man. I think in the next 10 or 15 minutes, I'll be reaching my destination. So stay tuned. It's not that long. So and this fat bite or this big tire fat bite is taking me anywhere I go, so I can go with this bite. So I am so happy I can save the money for the journey fare or the travel fare instead of paying the money while traveling. Instead of spending, I can save. And the next thing is that I always used to sit the whole day without doing exercise. Therefore, it helps me exercise this cycling. That's why I like it. So and if you happen to travel with bicycle, make sure to check everything. Make sure that you are checking the brakes, you are checking the wheels, the chain, and so on, because we might not know, okay, halfway what will happen. So therefore, we need to check, okay. So we need to check. So, oh my God. So many cars, like on my side, on the side that I'm in, so many cars. But anyway, guys, always go from the side, no problem. You will reach your destination. Ay, 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 yo. Ay, 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 yo. Last time, oh shit! Oh shit! Man! There's a hole in the middle of the road. Fuck! There's a hole. Wow! I almost reached. It will take me 5 more minutes, I think. Clock. I almost reached my destination. When I reach my destination, so I have to take. I think I'll take bird first. The bus, then. Okay, it's one of my friends in the same institutions. Okay, man, it's reaching already. Take bird first. After taking that, so I go off my breakfast, then I start going to attending the programs. Otherwise, how long did my stream last? Over, yes, 35 minutes or 40 minutes, I don't know. There's an auto which are coming to my side. They're showing signal for me to move a little bit side. Oh. no. Oh no. Wow, 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 wow. Go left. Oh, okay. That is my destination. So I can see from here. That is my destination. So, and I am going from the what? Oh, phew. I am going to the right side. Sorry, to the left side. This is my destination. Whoa. Side. Oh no! It is so big. That speed breaker is so big, man. So big. So yes, this side is my destination. I have to go. Whoa! 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 I know. I don't know my school at what time will start, but yeah. So, so this is the another side of the way which I travel. So the previous one, it was the highway, and today, I mean, at the moment, I am moving the other side, that is with a little bit smaller way towards my destination. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh, speed breaker. Yes. Oh. When it comes to the village road, always speed breaker. But it's really good to have a speed breaker for the safety of the people walking through the road. Oh no. Oh. 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 'A small road like this, when only vehicle comes, and you have to move to the side. Otherwise, yeah. Just an uphill. Change the gear. Oh. Whoa. One minute, I will end my live stream. Oh, sweat. I am sweating right now. I am sweating right now, man, because of the sweating right now. I am sweating right now. Okay, let's on auto. Let's auto. Oh, morning, miss. Morning. Aha. Whoa, 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 whoa. Climb up, climb up. Whew. Ah, ah. Ay, 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 yo. Oh. Ah. Whew. Whew. Whew, 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 whew. Ah. Mana miss? Tak depor mah? Tak depor ong. Oi, orang suai. Huh. Huh. Oh, thank you for watching, everyone. I ended my stream here because I have reached my destination. So, and see you next. Hả? Mày spoil kênh. Mày đang spoil mà?